Leadership Quote for the Week. Quotation attributed to John F. Kennedy. The time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. Leadership Tip for the Week. Leaders have vision. They can imagine a preferred future. There is a particular characteristic all great leaders have, and that is being proactive. Whereas most individuals respond to the now and how to react to a crisis, those with leadership skills are acting upon the next few steps to achieve the mission. Like a grand chess master, they don't simply focus on the present move, but on the next 6 to follow. This week, ask yourself, what will need to be done in the future that I can do right now?